Hello everyone. Hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Oh, my name is Sausage. Sausage the dog. Oh, wow. Hello, Sausage the dog. How are you doing? I'm fine. I'm quite wobbly. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hold yourself. Oh dear. Hold on. Oh. Oh, you're quite fun. I like to see you. Oh, you're quite fun. Can I see you walk? Let me try. It's quite hard for me to walk. I'm quite wobbly. Oh. Be careful for not hurt me. Oh, dear pig. Get off the way. Sorry. Oh. I'm quite wobbly. Oh, dear. Help me. Somebody help me. I will try to help you. Sorry. 1 minute. Let me see. I can help you to sit down properly. Oh. Oh dear. This is quite fun. I can try. Oh. Oh dear. Oh, Sausage. How do you walk? You're quite wobbly. Oh dear. Yeah, I'm trying very hard, but I get there in the end. Always get there in the end. Oh, thank you, God. You get there in the end because you wibbly wobbly everywhere. Oh yeah, Liz. I try, but what can I do? Is my body's a bit funny, but I can fix. I mean, like that. Oh, I like your tail. Your tail is quite fun. Let me see if you do. Sorry. Oh, dear. I'm sorry. Oh, did I hurt you? Oh, dear. Oh, you're quite wobbly everywhere. Oops. Thank you. Oh, thank you for helping me. Oh, I'm a quite funny doggy. Thank you, everyone. Oh dear. Oh, you're quite funny. Oh, nice to meet you, though. Have a lovely day. And take care of yourself, yeah? Be careful. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for coming to meet me. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, everyone, for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe.